Videos allegedly show dozens of sexual assaults inside a teenager's bedroom. Prosecutors want a life sentence for a former Swiss politician accused of drugging a mother and her teenage daughter weeks after they arrived from Ireland. An appeal court has for now blocked the women's deportation, keeping them in Switzerland for the trial. Can prosecutors prove drugging and make those recordings stand up in court in February? Patrick Frey is identified as a Swiss politician and former member of the Swiss People's Party linked to the Grand Council of the Canton of Aargau. He is due to stand trial in February on allegations he drugged and sexually assaulted Ivona, described as originally from Poland, and her teenage daughter Paula, after the two moved from Ireland to Switzerland in July 2022. The timeline is compressed. 12 days from arrival to alleged start of abuse of Paula, a GoPro incident in Paula's room on September 4th, then an arrest in 2023, and a trial calendar set for February. No year is specified for September 4th or for February, and no detailed breakdown of alleged incidents between those points is provided. Prosecutors are seeking a life sentence. That request signals how prosecutors categorize the allegations, drugging and sexual assault of both mother and daughter, at the gravest end of the scale, with exploitation of recent migration and housing dependence as the asserted context. Prosecutors point to dozens of videos allegedly showing sexual assaults. The single GoPro detail is specific. Ivona says she found Frey in Paula's room with a GoPro on September 4 after the July arrival. What the videos depict, when and how they were recovered, and whether they have been forensically verified with chain of custody has not been detailed. Frey denies using date rape drugs and disputes much of the case. That denial is framed around drugging, with no further admissions, explanations, or counter-evidence detailed. The core allegations, the party and council link, and the video evidence remain reported claims in a single August 27 account. While the arrest, the February trial window, the denial, and the temporary halt to deportation are the confirmed procedural facts. The women faced deportation as alleged victims. A Swiss appeal court has reversed that decision for now, a temporary halt to removal rather than a final grant of residence or asylum. The legal basis for the original order and for the reversal is not specified. The immediate consequence is they remain in Switzerland at least through the trial window, where the alleged crimes occurred, instead of being removed before they could seek protection and testify. The entire account, as currently known, rests on that single outlet report. Independent checks as of August 27 found no corroborating official registry, press release, or major Swiss archive record confirming Frey as an SVP or Aargau Grand Council politician or documenting a February 2026 trial docket. Those verification attempts hit dead ends on official sites and returned no results in major papers, without establishing that the identification is false, only that it remains unverified. The same gaps define what the February court must still resolve: the exact charges beyond drugging and sexual assault, the substances allegedly used and how drugging would be proven, the forensic handling of dozens of videos, the ages and immigration status of Ivona and Paula in Ireland and Switzerland, the nature of any housing or employment dependence on Frey, and Frey's custodial status since the 2023 arrest have not been specified. If video and toxicology evidence is admitted and sustained, the life sentence request tracks the gravest charges. If not, the case turns on credibility, forensic toxicology, and the chain of custody for recordings made inside a child's bedroom, with the women's temporary right to remain determining whether they can be present to testify at all. Like and follow for more stories that matter.